Hi there! If you really try chasing information to get your job done, then you're in the right place. So let me show you how Sonny9 can help you with that. In this view, I have one client called John Doe, and let's send him an information request for a monthly bookkeeping. What you need to do is put Sonny9 into copy, and then just write down the email. But for this example, I will demonstrate you how we convert an email into a checklist. And the last thing to add in the email is a link to upload the data, and that's it. So let's send an email and see what happens. Okay, here is our email. Let's have a look at it. Now we need to identify ourselves. So here we are. You can see the original email here from which we have generated this checklist. But now what you can do is start uploading the documents. So now our checklist is ready, and we'll just dump all the PDFs we have prepared into this page. Do that and just drop them. What happens now, Sonny will start going and checking each and every file, checking them against the checklist, including the dates, the document types. It actually opens the document and understands what it is, not just reading the file names. As you can see, from all the files I dumped, only one invoice went through, but the rest of the files were correctly identified as not corresponding to what was asked. Let's say in this case, in this invoice, it was for the month of February, not for March. And in this bank statement, let's have a look at it. It's actually for 2019. So this is how Sonny helps your clients provide you all required information that is necessary. So let's upload the correct bank statement. So now let's load the correct bank statement. Okay, so now we have our bank statement ready. So let's go to the next step. We will be asking questions about the transactions based on just extracted data from this bank statement. So now we have our questions for our bank statement. Sonny9 read each transactions and found the ones that need clarifications for proper categorization. So now I, as a client, will have to answer those. So just gonna paste a simple answer. Okay. As you can see, there are 5 questions. They're different, and I'm just gonna paste the answer, similar answer. But when I click submit, then what will happen is Sonny9 will categorize each transaction and put a correct GL code to that, which later on you can either modify or change. And if you do that, Sonny9 will remember those and next time will not ask those questions. So now everything is set. Now the CPA will receive the notification with the information and extracted data. From point of view of the client, you are done. And then once the upload has been completed, you will receive a notification with all the required information, including the extracted data from the bank statement with the correct categorization. And you'll be able to upload this to QuickBooks or configure QuickBooks or other tool connection in Sonny9, and it will automatically update all those things there. So this way you can save a lot of time chasing data and focus on what's important. Send us any questions, happy to chat. Thank you.